Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be doing this stunning Juno birch makeup, because it's absolutely stunning. So stunning. But let's get on to the video. So you're going to grab the purple glue stick, and you're going to create little swirly doos on your eyebrows, and then use a comb, and then comb it up. And then do this several times to get a nice flat surface, so when you paint over it, your eyebrows don't look like crunched oatmeal, because that's not the vibe. And did I film this video in May and it is now August 100%? Did I forget about it? Yes, but you're welcome now for having this video. And then I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm kind of going around the eyebrow to get all the extra glue off, so it's nice and like even and soft, you know? Now I'm taking powder and I'm just pressing that into the brows. I'm not too worried about covering them because I'm going to cover it with a lot of white face paint and stuff like that, so you really won't see them. I'm mixing a cream white and some eyeshadows together to create a nice lilac shade, and make sure to drop all the powder on the floor and then forget about it, and then it's on your socks, and then you have to clean up all the floors in your house because there's purple powder everywhere. Don't forget to paint any exposed skin, so I paint my neck and my ears because I'm going to wear rubber gloves so I don't have to paint my hands. And I'm setting this cream paint with some powder just so it doesn't move around. Now I'm taking a lilac shade and I'm contouring my face with that, making sure to get in the hollows of the cheeks, the temples, under the chin, the nose, and places like that. And I'm gonna need you to just look away from the palette that I'm using because I filmed this a while ago, and let's pretend like that didn't happen because we do not support that. Yes, thank you. Now going in with a bright pink shade and adding the blush to the apples in my cheek. Now we're creating the new socket. I'm using my brow bone as a guide, and I'm applying that purple shade that I use as a contour to make my new eye socket. And because Juno has a very round eye, so I'm trying to keep it very round and deepening it up as I go. Now I'm going in with a concealer, maybe? I don't know if that is. Yeah, that's a concealer. It isn't the white shade. Going in with a concealer, and I'm just creating a cut crease, making it very round as Juno has a very round eye shape. So keeping with the vibe of that. Now I'm stamping on a white shade to the lid. I don't want to swipe too much because I don't want to move the concealer around, so just stamping it on to create a more opaque shade. Now I'm applying an eyeliner and I'm just creating a wing. Now for the hardest part of this whole look, like hands down the hardest part, creating the eyebrows in somewhat similar fashion. So I create the eyebrows with a black eyeshadow on a very thin brush, and then I deepen it up further with a black eyeshadow in the front half of the eyebrow. Now that they look somewhat similar, I'm going in with some lashes. Now I'm applying a pink shade on my lips and creating a very soft cupid's bow, nothing harsh because I feel like Juno's makeup is always very rounded, so creating that on the lips as well. And you cannot tell me that my lips are not stunning because they are. You can't tell me differently. Now going in with the highlights. And I'm just taking a white shade and going on where like the normal highlights of the face would be. Did I use a brush with some black in it and I had to go over it like 40 times? 100%, but it does look cute if you do it right from the beginning. And here's me getting fed up and I just use that cream white eyeshadow, not an eyeshadow, that is just clown white all over those things, and then my hair gets all up in it and it kind of goes everywhere. So again, just do it from the beginning right. And then there's lipstick on my teeth because I am stunning. I'm stunning. And then going in with a beauty mark. And there you go, you are a stunning alien that came down in the 60s and you're here to take over the human race. Beautiful, stunning. Thank you so much for watching this stunning video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more, and links will be down below from all my social medias. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!